The following message is transmitted at the request of Columbia Police Department. There has been reports of people having nightmares. It appears that this creature is giving people nightmares is known as a BloxWatch. When BloxWatch give people nightmares in their sleeping dreams, people get scared and they are in a scary place with no power, and the BloxWatch had watch people and jump scare them. Stay tuned for more information about this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of Boone County Sheriff's Office. At 12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the BloxWatch has been arrived in Columbia while the people has nightmares 30 minutes ago. At this time, the BloxWatch has been breaking or teleporting to several homes across the city and watching people in sleep or doing something. When they watch people, they open the door and watch a person. All residents, please lock all of your doors in your bedrooms and do not approach the creature, as it is considered dangerous. The following message is transmitted at the request of Boone County Sheriff's Office. At 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, BloxWatch has been watching all people for the rest of the night, watching in their sleep and doing everything. This identified this creature as a character as a guest from Roblox. Roblox guest has been scrapped in 2018 and the BloxWatch is a hacker from last year in Roblox. The BloxWatch is known as a guest with wide shaded eyes, black skin, black hair, black shirt, black pants, and black shoes. This identifies this creature as a hacker or exploiter from Roblox. All residents, lock all doors, windows, and hide in closets to prevent the BloxWatch to watch you. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of Federal Bureau of Investigation. At 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time, FBI has detected that BloxWatch has contained a computer virus by hacking computers. If you have an antivirus in your computer, please turn it on or else the BloxWatch might hack your computer. Do not turn off your antivirus. If you do so, BloxWatch will hack your computer and harm your computer. All residents please be advised to make sure your antivirus is on because of the BloxWatch might hack your computer if it is off. Do not approach the creature as it is considered dangerous. The following message is transmitted at the request of Boone County Sheriff's Office and Federal Bureau of Investigation. At 3:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, there are many reports that this file that the BloxWatch. This file is BloxWatch eggs. If you get this file, please delete it in your phones and computer. If you don't, you will commit suicide and the BloxWatch might kill you. If you get the BloxWatch eggs in your file, please delete it. If you don't, will commit suicide and may face death. All residents, please delete the file. If you have EAS Security, EAS Security will delete the file named BloxWatch eggs. Administrative message from the Columbia Police Department, Boone County Sheriff's Office, and Federal Bureau of Investigation. This is all clear message to Columbia. At 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the BloxWatch virus is automatically deleted. And the Columbia Police Department had killed the BloxWatch in a head. The Columbia Police Department thank for your cooperation. You may return to your normal activity.